Okay, today we are going to install a Windows 10 printer driver. First thing we need to do is go over to the Toshiba website and go to Toshiba Print and Document Solutions. Now here you click on the driver link on the top right hand corner and search by your product number. Now we're going to choose a 400, which is the new Matterhorn. Then here you choose your operating system, which will be Windows 10. And 64-bit is generally what everyone's running, so we're going to grab the Universal 2 64-bit driver. Now you want to save that to your Downloads folder, and then click on Show in Folder. Now if you double click on the zip file, you can then drag it over back into Downloads, which will unpack it. Now once this is completed, we need to go over to our control panel, after you've checked to make sure it's unpacked, of course. Now we can minimize that window. So if you click on Start, just type in the word Control, and that'll take you straight to it. Now we need to go to Devices and Printers, and click on Add a Printer. Now here, choose the printer I want is not listed and add a local printer or network printer manually. Create a new port, and you want to choose a standard TCP/IP port here. Then you pop in the IP address of your printer and hit Next. Here you want to go to Have Disk and Browse. Now this has automatically gone to my Downloads folder. You might have to search for yours, which will basically generally be just under the name of your computer and Downloads. So if you highlight that, and that'll bring up the Toshiba Universal driver. Always a good idea to replace if you're installing. Now I'm going to call this the eStudio 400 AC. You can call yours whatever you like, depending on the model number. Then Next. Now here you can share it out, add the location or comment, and then set as default if it is the other printer you're going to be printing to. Now here we want to go to Properties, Ports, and configure the standard port. Choose LPR and give it a queue name of print, which is the printer's default built-in queue name. Now after that, go to Advanced, Printer Defaults, and just make sure it's set for A4. And if you didn't want double-sided printing, you can turn that off here. Okay, now here we just want to print a test page. Now if your driver prints successfully, your printer is installed.